Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to open an account with Robinhood Bank. But before we get into the details, let's take a step back and ask ourselves why we might want to open a bank account with Robinhood in the first place. Robinhood is a relatively new company, but it's quickly become one of the most popular online brokerages in the United States. One of the reasons for its popularity is that Robinhood offers commission-free stock trading. This means that you don't have to pay any fees to buy or sell stocks. This can be a big savings, especially if you're a frequent trader. In addition to stock trading, Robinhood also offers a number of other financial services, such as options trading, cryptocurrency trading, and even a checking account. So, if you're looking for a comprehensive financial platform, Robinhood might be a good option for you. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into the steps involved in opening a Robinhood account. Step 1. Download the Robinhood app. The first step is to download the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to create an account by providing your name, email address, and password. Step 2. Verify your identity. Once you've created an account, you'll need to verify your identity. This typically involves providing a copy of your driver's license or passport. Step 3. Fund your account. Once your identity has been verified, you can fund your account by transferring money from your bank account. You can also use a debit card or credit card to fund your account. Step 4. Start trading. Once your account is funded, you're ready to start trading. You can buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies right from the Robinhood app. Before you start trading, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. You should also set up a budget and stick to it. It's important to be patient and disciplined when investing. Overall, opening a Robinhood account is a relatively simple process. If you're looking for a commission-free brokerage with a variety of features, Robinhood might be a good option for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.